Hello, welcome back guys to Filmora channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download Filmora on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And as you can see, I use the Wi-Fi here. And now if you want to download it, just go ahead to your App Store on your phone. Tap on it like this to open it. Now at the search bar at the top, you just have to type for the Filmora. Now tap on this search button. After, we have to scroll it down, and then this is the Filmora. If you want to download it, just tap on this get button. And now we have to wait for a second to download it. Tap on install. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna speed it up while download this Filmora applications. And if it is done, the get button before it will be changed to the open button, you guys. Here I'm gonna check it first on my home screen to see the application, and yeah, this is a lookalike. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video, a tutorial from me how to download Filmora on iPhone. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.